And we're back to more Harvest Moon. Check the date on the calendar.
Yep.
Okay, so we got something coming up Monday.
I'm gonna try and predict Tomato Festival.
Chicken Festival. You get... Tomatoes are a spring thing. Why would there be a tomato festival? Oh. Wow, prove me wrong. Good job.
Actually, I think tomatoes are summer in this.
Oh, maybe. I'm sorry.
Why does it look like I have booze on the table?
Probably hit some stuff there. I don't know.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, so our watering can is being put on.
We should check it. It might be done today. But first priority, brush our horse maybe, or go harvest the mansion.
Horse hide and seek, yay!
Other dog. There he is.
Good, Rosic. There you go. Have a nice brush.
Yeah, just get it. Actually, what's our money situation? It's been a hot minute, everyone.
I think we're around 600 something.
Yeah, 500.
Not even that.
Oh, hey, it's the girls again.
Shove.
Oh, Cody, you came too.
Yep, I did.
The way she says that, it makes it sound like you came out of a concussion or something. State of unconscious. Oh, you came too.
What's up?
Banana feels so good in the morning.
Feels like crap in the morning. What are you talking about?
I don't know.
Get over here, pink hair.
I have a poultry farm. Mom tends to the store, and my brother takes care of the chickens.
And you murdered them. Okay.
Jeez. So I think they're just going to say the same things until you get their light up.
Yeah.
Speak of what we're doing, but... Yeah, there's not much in summer, is there?
No. Not that I'm not.
Just do a quick run around here real quick.
It would be nice if I'm missing something. Does that be a little extra money?
Yeah.
Take a little run up the map and see if I might have missed something.
Actually, let's head back and check our watering can situation. Just because he closes at 4, we can check the mansions at any time. Be nice if the watering can's done.
It would be.
He's closed Thursdays anyway. So this was kind of a moot point at all.
Yeah. Well, exercise. Oh, why couldn't you be open today? Stupid old dude.
Because that'd be too convenient for you, Sonny. You gotta learn inconvenience is a part of life. You know it to be true. What's up the other way?
This way?
Yeah. No, you can't. Okay, never mind. But you could. Looks like you could.
It does.
Smash that boulder.
Give me the sec. I don't think I... Oh, why does it all have to be flowers?
Yeah, we did check up here. It was all flowers.
I was hoping in a different month it might... Yeah.
No, it's going to be... I think it's just different seasonal flowers here. We can check. Well, we can't break the boulder because we don't have the hammer. Ah, my foot!
It would be my luck. Just make that extra swing after it.
It's like 6 full swings and it's broken.
It's 5. I just accidentally added one every time. Or maybe it is 6.
Now you're questioning yourself. Because I thought I was counting 6.
Well, let's find out.
Alright, everyone, place your bets. Is it 5 or 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. So I missed it. 2.
Alright, let's go grab the hammer. That boulder just looks too suspicious for me. I'm sorry, I play a lot of, like, adventure RPG games where that's too suspicious.
As opposed to the stump across the way.
The stumps are normal because those are all over the place. But you don't get anything from boulders.
That's true.
So why is there a giant boulder in the middle of nowhere?
To screw with you.
Probably. It's probably going to wield nothing.
It's going to be like, here's a pet rock. Just for you, damn it.
I'm going to call him Rocky just to be ironic. And cliched.
It would be nice if it is something.
Yeah. I mean, the worst case scenario is we wasted, like, what, an hour?
That's true.
Heaven forbid I make you work a little. Rock. Yeah, nothing. I mean, I guess you can try hoeing there, but...
Go on.
Well, that was you. Isn't there a... Okay. That's probably winter I'm thinking of. There's a lake in winter that will freeze over, and there's a rock in it that you break to get a power nut.
Yeah, that might be in winter.
Yeah. Ooh, she got spooky out all of a sudden.
That's creepy.
So that was a good time to take a bath.
Nah. I've done that every episode, haven't I?
What?
Taking a bath.
No.
Oh.
You have not taken a bath for like... maybe once or twice you have taken a bath.
Oh, fine. I'm taking a bath then.
Yeah. You probably reach the high heaven right now.
Get your energy back.
Boy, I can't wait till we build a bathroom of our own and we can just wash in there. Hope no one comes out and peeps my bod.
Or, no animal who jumps in and rips us to shreds.
We've not seen any wild animals in this peaceful farming community. The worst case is a cow might wander in. And that's just awkward more than anything.
Free cow!
It's a free cow.
And if somebody comes in trying to claim it, they die.
Wow, that went escalated quickly. What is with your reception of throwing plants into earth? Or earth into water? Wow. Take this, Poseidon. The earth will claim the water once again.
Okay, that was funny.
That's mole every time.
Oh, yeah.
We might as well head to bed. Oh, we should check the weather too. Sunny.
What else is there?
Good night.
Oh, it's sunny. Never changes.
It's summer. Sandwich breakfast? More likely than you think. Alright. Today for sure we should check on them.
Yeah. If you're on my farm. Good.
What were you talking about?
Oh, there's usually an event that happens when you have 500 gold.
Okay.
Somebody. Oh, that's probably a fall.
Yeah.
I'm going to commit a crime. So, go collect our 2 mountain items.
Hey, we gotta start somewhere, man.
Yeah. With any luck, we'll have enough money to buy some.
Oh, we're gonna have enough money to buy a few plots of seed.
Yeah. Like, if only I could figure out. I'm gonna have to research that.
What?
The fishing pole.
Yeah.
Because if I can add some fish, that'll give us a little extra money.
Yeah.
Yep, you're boring. Bye, Pinky.
Alright, where's our horse? I thought the dog was the mole. I was like, go whack that mole.
Yeah, that won't get us attention from PETA or anything.
Yeah. Quick, he's getting away. They're cornered now, horse.
Yep, get stronger so you can carry me around. Let's see.
112.
Not bad.
No, we're gonna need a lot of wood.
Oh, yeah.
That might be something we should look into in the evenings of doing if we have nothing else to do.
Oh, yeah.
My ideal here is, once we get our watering pan, I want to buy 2 of each seed type. It's not open yet, is it?
You must still be working on it.
Yeah, alright.
I wonder if you can still buy 2 and then just store them in the tool shed thing.
You can, but...
Might as well wait until it's done.
Yeah.
What should we do?
Probably go talk to the neighbors, because we never do this. If we hurry, we can get wine for Karen. Oh yeah, right. Never mind.
We need seeds. I'm like,
oh yeah, right. We're poor. There's the alcoholic in me talking. We need a profit. Let's go get wine.
He's like, no.
Somewhat.
Yeah, farm's great.
Notice how you don't have a TV, Mayor. I seldom eat at home.
You eat at the end, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, think about it. I think I'm gonna check the other house. But I have a feeling we might be the only one with a TV.
Yeah, I think we're the only one with a TV. Because we're from the city.
Yeah, I guess we brought that with us.
Okay, what is this other place that we're supposed to be open? Kai's house or whatever. Want something to eat? Oh, so he just sells. It's just like you guzzle it. Blah, where did you get this? Right there.
That's salt!
You can't drink that!
Oh God, you're stupid! You're the stupidest person I've ever seen! I've seen stupid!
Have you seen the man?
Oh! Oh, good one! It's like, I've seen stupid. Have you seen the mayor? He thinks he looks cool.
Well.
Perfect.
No one will suspect a thing. Ladies, please contain your orgasms to my blue hats.
Wait. Yeah, you sick freaks!
What?
I forgot what the chicken.
Oh. Leave me alone!
Wait. Where did we get the purple heart with her?
Good question. Probably the bed kicked it up.
Alright.
Oh, you heard that, huh?
Well, kind of hard to miss with you screaming
it out
into
loud.
the air.
They told me I should hurry up and marry, but I can't even think about that yet. Yeah, no, marriage is rough.
Yeah, don't get married. I just want to drink and drink and drink and drink.
Wow, don't ever get married, Curtis. Can you imagine me getting married? Yeah, I married you. In a previous life. No, you're right. She does not like the idea of being married. I don't even have a boyfriend.
Keep a pin on that.
Yeah. Anne's tomboyish and is into the girly stuff, so
Yeah.
marriage is a scary prospect to her.
Mm-hmm.
But someone's going to in the comments and be like, "You picked the wrong option, you idiot!"
Probably. It's like, no, you're not supposed to pick that. You're supposed to pick this. I'm sorry.
Hey, who's playing?
Oh, yeah. I'm like, I'm sorry. Who's playing the game?
Just kidding, everyone. We like feedback.
Yeah, we do. Oh.
Oh, Sad Sack's not here.
Yeah, I want to make fun of Sad Sack. Because for some reason he only looks sad in the church.
I think there's a backstory behind that. I just don't know what it is.
I'll make something up.
The postman. He's got to deliver the mail to the mayor. Not even going to talk to him. Just going to like barge in. Be like, "What's going on, guys?"
Mayor? Why do you have two beds?
One for the servant. What, you mean he's going to share a bed with his servant? I don't think they bunk like that, sir.
No.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with it if they do, but I mean, work and pleasure kind of don't go hand in hand sometimes.
Yeah. Let's head to the mountain.
Didn't we already get the shit in the mountain?
Wood. Might as well collect some wood.
Yeah.
Let's go take Gotz's wood.
I like how you immediately beeline right to his house. Let's go take his wood. It's not like these don't conveniently grow back in a day.
Just hear from inside. Stop cutting my wood!
Never.
It's like, come and make me.
I wouldn't threaten that, man.
All of a sudden you hear, I'd be like, well, wood's all yours. Oh, 146.
Yeah. If you get 4 logs like this.
So we have 146 right now.
Yeah. Okay, you get 6.
Okay, that's not too bad. Any more?
I don't think so. It's closed. It's nearly 9 o'clock, sir.
I wonder if you go for the others or just call it here.
Yes, you probably just call it here.
Yeah. That's
We are
plenty.
kind of running out of time here.
Yeah, that's plenty of wood anyway.
For right now.
Yeah.
I don't know how much we need for the chicken hen, to be honest with you.
Alright.
And chicken coop. I said chicken hen like that's a thing. No, the chicken hen.
Doesn't exist.
Only in my mind.
Scary thought.
And with that, though, we'll call it here. So until next time, I'm Devin.
I'm Cody.
Have a good one, guys.